My name is Mark Trader, and I just finished the OMNICAMP. And it was pretty intense, but I really enjoyed it. I think the first thing I want to say is about the people here. Well, first about Oscar and his people, or just Oscar and his whole family, because we're really staying at his house. And it really seems like a family, like a really good family, and it feels like you're taking in the rest of us as family, and that really feels good. Because it feels good for me, because I kind of lost my family recently. Some of them have passed away. My best friend passed away, so it feels good to be part of something. Also, I lost my job, and that was, when you're working, like I worked for 30 years at Citibank, and a lot of those people became my family, and so I kind of felt out there a little isolated. So I feel like it's a really good group. So that's the hosting people, Oscar and all those people, and also the attendees. It's a really good group. Really smart guys, and friendly people, and I almost feel like an extended family on that too, which is really good. And I think you did a really good job in deciding who could come, because I don't think we got held back by some people who would ask a lot of questions. There was, there's always some. I mean, it wasn't perfect. There was one person which I don't think I have to say, who asked more questions than I thought. Some people just ask questions to hear themselves. I don't know. But so if there's any suggestion, I mean, Bob said to say anything that could be improved or whatever. And I think it's not a problem at all. But just to really be strict about going off in the wrong direction, in different directions, and asking questions or saving them for later or whatever. But I don't think that was a big problem. That's a problem that I think every class I've ever attended, there's that overhead of some of the people causing delays. But it was good. It was really good, except for that small thing. So the content itself, I really feel like now I have some more tools that I can work with. I didn't really know what I was doing that much before, and especially this last day, it came together. And I was a little unsure. The first couple of days, we didn't have any analysis, and I was kind of a little disappointed in that. But the way it turns out, I think it built up, and it's okay. It might be interesting to just whet the appetite by the first day or two, throwing in a little analysis or a little chart like that. But it all came together, and we certainly got those kind of things. So I feel like I got everything I needed to get out of it. It's going to take a lot of repetition and practice and all that, and I hope we can all get together again, because I like the group, I like Oscar, the family, and maybe get together for the holidays or something. I don't know, or maybe next year, just to have a reunion. Okay, I think that's about it. So thanks a lot, and looking forward to being with it for a long time.